Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I want to introduce you the Winsor and Newton Fixative Spray, which is reliable, easy to use, and an essential tool for any artist wanting to preserve their artwork for years to come. If you are looking to protect and preserve your artwork, the Winsor and Newton Fixative Spray is an excellent choice. Designed specifically for use on charcoal, pastel, pencil, and other delicate mediums. This spray provides a clear protective layer that prevents smudging and fading without affecting the vibrancy of your original artwork. When applying, it's best to hold the can about 30 cm away from your artwork and use smooth sweeping motions to avoid oversaturation. Start with a light layer, let it dry, and then apply additional coats as needed for extra protection. The buildable nature of the fixative allows for flexibility based on your artwork's medium and how much protection you want. One of the best things about the Winsor and Newton Fixative Spray is its fast drying formula. It dries quickly and evenly, so won't have to wait long before your artwork is safe to handle or frame. The spray goes on fine and evenly, meaning it doesn't saturate your paper or leave any glossy spots, which is ideal when you want a more natural matte finish. Thanks for watching and happy drawing!